Shawarma box ito, no? So, buo yung shawarma. Mainit. Ba natin, konti lang, baka tayo. Oh! Ah! Hi, Wael. How are you?
How are you, Bo?
Yeah. When did you start Wael'S Shawarma?
Before almost 2 years.
Is there something in your family? You know how to cook? Is there a chef in the
I am
family?
chef already 15 years before in
Wow.
my country.
Really?
15 years, yes.
And what is that country?
My country from Egypt.
Egypt?
Yes.
And where do you exactly cook in Egypt?
I cook in from more city in Egypt, like Cairo, like also in Tanta, like more city in Egypt. Not
What
only
is
one.
this? A restaurant or
Yes,
hotel?
restaurant, also hotel.
Really?
Yes, Hilton Hotel also I work there.
And
You
now,
know? Yes.
yeah, and now you bring this food here in the Philippines.
Yes, that's what I think. I go to before I come here 7 years in Dubai, and I have more friends from Filipino. That's why I love to come here because
Yeah.
there is really nice to with me, and also they treat with me very good. That's why I think if I come here, I will be safe here. Like I feel really like I'm in my country.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yeah, thank
and,
you.
And then one thing, what's so special with your shawarma? Why people love to buy your
Because this
recipe?
one, my recipe, my own recipe. This one Arabic food. We put garlic. This one I make from my hand, and also my hot sauce. Even my feta bread I make also in my home. That's
Really?
why the different taste, not same taste of Filipino here. Because here, you know, there is more shawarma brand, but they make the like way Filipino,
Really?
Filipino way. But me, I make it authentic. Original, like my country, same taste. If you go my country, you will taste same.
Okay.
Yes.
And if people visit Wael'S Shawarma, what is your recommendation?
My recommendation, beef shawarma or shawarma box like you eat before here. And there is also biryani rice.
Biryani.
Also good. Yes. I have more flavor. I hope all people come here to test my food.
How do they visit the place? What is the address?
Yes, I am here in Basic City. You know KFC? We are other side. I hope all people when they come here only they ask where is Wael'S Shawarma. More people they send him to me.
Can they order online?
Yes, also. I now if you want to order, just message me in my Facebook.
Okay.
And soon they will put me in the application.
Application,
Yes.
huh? What time they can visit the place?
Yes, I open to 2:30 and I close to 12 a.m.
Okay. I saw your food is like the gimmick or the promotion is like buy one take two,
Yes.
buy one take one. How do you manage the cost?
I
of
have
it?
also buy one take two, this one 3
Yes.
sandwich. I manage now. I don't mind to profit more money.
Really?
Yes, because I want all the people here, all the Filipino come here to this experience, this
All
new
right.
experience.
Okay.
That's why I make my price is very low.
Yeah.
I want only enjoy with the people here because I really love Philippines. I want all the people come in my restaurant to test my food. This is what I want.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. The floor is yours. Well, you can invite them.
Yes. Welcome to Wael'S Shawarma. Assalamu alaikum. I have here beef shawarma, chicken shawarma, biryani rice. We are here in Basic City, Kabasigan. I hope all people come here. I with you. See you soon. Thank you so much.
Wael'S Shawarma dito po sa Pasig, San Jose, Pasig City. Itong tindahan na ito, dinudumog, napakarami pong bumibili at kumakain itong pagkain o tinitinda ni Sir Wael na isang Egyptian, no? Kanya pong country of origin at dito nga nagnenegosyo ngayon sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo po, isa sa mga dahilan na nakikita kung bakit ito dinudumog ng tao, yung gimmick. Yan, kinuha sa gimmick. Hindi ko pa natitikman, ha? Pero yung gimmick kasi na buy one take one, buy one take two, yung mga ganong klaseng promotion na talaga nga naman nakakatawag pansin. Ang lalaki ng karatula niya rito. Tikman na natin ang kanyang beef shawarma at ang tinatawag nilang shawarma box ito, no? So, etong dalawang meron tayo ngayon na these are the best seller ni Sir Wael na hinanda niya sa atin, no? May french fries na kasama, syempre. At ito nga yung hiniwa-hiwa na beef shawarma. Okay, game. Tikman ko lang to. Ginawa niya sa box, Niwa-hiwa po ng parang bite size, ganyan kalaki. May tsura, oh. Yan. So, tirahin natin. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ng isa. Subuhan, kaya yata eh. In fairness, masarap na klase ng shawarma, mga nait mga kakay, no? Kaiba lang to. Actually, nagaling nga po tayo ng Middle East, kaya alam natin, sa Middle East, mga shawarma doon, no? Ay laging pinapalamanan ng French fries. Ganyan po sa Middle East talaga, no? Meron kami tinatawag doon na bibili ako dati, pangalan Hammer Time eh. Ganyan kahaba, kaya nga Hammer Time kasi parang martilyo sa haba. Punong-puno ng French fries, nilagyan ng chicken, no? Ganito ng style. Although dito, ang ginawa ni Sir Wael'S is binabaan niya ng konti ang dami ng French fries kasi nga masyadong nakakabusog, no? Tapos, merong garnish, meron ditong sausawan na parang extra mayo at extra ketchup. At syempre may extra hot sauce, no? Okay. Ito yung buo. Ganito yung buo ng shawarma. Mainit. Bagong luto. Plain and simple, straightforward na paggawa ng shawarma. Wala yung nilalagay pa sa papel. Although, pag tinake out mo, syempre, meron silang mga take out boxes, no? Natin. Masarap talaga. Kaya ang dami mo ibili, masarap, no? Binigyan ako ng hot sauce ni Sir Wael. Di ko alam kung maanghang, no? Mahina po tayo. Mahina tayo sa nga, pero parang pag tinignan mo, parang may mga buto-buto na siling dinurog sa loob. Kung bakit niya binigay ito, hindi ko alam. Manatin, konti lang, baka tayo magbaga sa anghang. Oh!
Dito sir, dito.
Manghang. Nayari tayo dito ang manghang. Pero, apakasarap po ng lasa ng pagkain. Hindi ka magsisisi, no? Pwede nyo dayuhin. Ayan ang exact address niya para sa mga gustong tikman itong Wael'S Shawarma. Masarap nga. Hindi sa sulit ba? Halagang 129, mga ganun lang presyuhan niya, no? 100 plus lang, ha? May dalawang klase ka ng, dalawang peraso rather, no? Na shawarma. Mabubusog ka, sulit ang lasa, sulit ang presyo. Double check sa akin to, mga kakay. Pwede nyo puntahan, no? Wow, okay ah. Bukod dito, sa kinakain ko ngayon, marami pa pong tinitindang pagkain dito sa Wael'S, no? Meron silang mga rice, biryani rice, kebab, purely Mediterranean, no? Na pagkain na pwede rin kayo order online. Just in case gusto nyo, no? Pa-deliver sa inyong mga tahanan, no? Within Pasig yata, madali sila makapag-deliver yan. Matikman nyo naman itong Wael'S Shawarma. Sarap! At syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-follow at mag-like sa ating Facebook page, no? Aking Sol Party List at YouTube channel, no? Subscribe lang po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan. Syempre, mabuhay po kayo lahat. Ako pa rin ang inyong likod, Kuya Dex. Pagmamahal. Bye!
Akainisol, akainisol, tara na sumama ka na. Turismo akainisol, akainisol, hindi ka na mag-isa kasi kasama kita.